What you're looking at right now was once a masterpiece. A 1:18 scale Lamborghini Diablo, one of the most iconic supercars ever built. Aggressive, ruthless, unmistakable. But somewhere along the way, time forgot about it. Covered in dust, paint chipped, decals peeling, chrome oxidized beyond recognition. This little machine had been abandoned, left behind. But today, we bring it back. Step 1. Before anything can be restored, it has to be understood. We begin with full disassembly. Every door, every wheel, every tiny mirror, each piece removed carefully, because even a hairline scratch at this stage can ruin the final result. The isolation. Listen to that. Each screw finding its place, order out of chaos. That's where restoration begins. Now, the cleaning. We're using a soft bristle detailing brush and warm soapy water to lift decades of grime from the body panels. Watch how the original yellow paint starts to peek through underneath all that gray film. The wheels come next, oxidized and dull. We soak them in a mild solution, and slowly, the chrome begins to breathe again. This is the part most people skip. They want to jump straight to the paint, but if you don't clean down to bare surface first, everything you put on top is just a lie. There it is, clean, bare, ready. The body of the Diablo is now stripped of all dirt, old wax and loose paint. Every surface, every curve of that iconic wedge body is prepped for what comes next.
Step 2. Repair and rebirth. Under bright light, we can now see the full extent of the damage. Paint chips along the hood, a crack near the rear spoiler, chrome peeling on the side vents. We start with the body filler, just a tiny amount applied with precision to the chipped areas. Sanded down in stages, 400 grit, then 800, then 1200, each pass smoother than the last. Feel that surface. That's not just smooth, that's level. That's the foundation a proper paint job demands. Now, the color. This Diablo was originally finished in Giallo Midas, Lamborghini's legendary yellow. We've mixed a custom color match loaded into a fine-tip airbrush. Light passes, always light passes, never one heavy coat, 3 thin ones. Let each layer cure before the next. This is patience made visible. Watch the color bloom, that yellow, bold, arrogant, alive, coming back exactly as it was meant to be. The spoiler gets a satin black finish, the vents, restored chrome effect using a silver leaf technique. The interior, carefully repainted in black with the tiniest brush you've ever seen. And the headlights. The Diablo's pop-up headlights are legendary. We clean the lenses with a UV polish and reinstall them with perfectly aligned hinges so they rise and fall as smoothly as the real thing. Everything is drying now. The smell of fresh paint, the stillness of a workshop at work. This is the moment between what it was and what it will be.
Step 3. The resurrection. Every piece we took apart, we now bring back together. But this time, nothing is rushed. Every part is inspected before it goes on. Any piece that didn't meet the standard was redone. There's something deeply satisfying about that sound. A panel fitting exactly as it should. No gap, no wobble, just precision. The wheels go back on, freshly polished, tires cleaned with a detail spray that brings back the deep black rubber tone. The badges, the raging bull on the nose, the Diablo script on the rear, are reapplied using the original placement marks. A soft press, steadying hands. A final clear coat is applied over the entire body. This locks in the paint, adds depth to the yellow, and gives the car that showroom gloss that catches light from every angle. Airbrush hiss, then silence. And now, we wait.
One last time. The time-lapse sound, soft ticking. When the clear coat has fully cured, we do a final detail pass. A soft microfiber cloth, light buffing compound, every surface touched, every reflection checked. And then we set it down on its wheels for the first time in years. Look at it. The Lamborghini Diablo. Born in 1990, designed to be outrageous, built to be remembered. And this little model, this tiny tribute, remembers it perfectly. From abandoned to extraordinary, from forgotten to flawless. That's what restoration is. It's not just fixing something broken, it's deciding that something mattered and proving it. If you made it to the end, thank you. If you felt something watching this, leave it in the comments. See you in the next one.